How to add Google review link to your Reputeup feedback page. First, open Google and log in with the same Google account used to create your business profile. Once you're logged into the right account, search for your business name on Google. When your profile appears, scroll down and click the Get More Reviews button. Now, just copy the URL from the address bar. That's your direct review link. Next, log into your Reputeup dashboard. Head over to the Feedback Page Settings section. On the side panel, click Single Quote Feedback Page. Then choose External Site. And select Google from the list. Paste your copied link into the Google Review URL field. Once you've done that, click Save. You'll see a green tick or confirmation message. Once you've set up the URL, your customers can simply scan the QR code to land instantly on our Talk and Write review page. Simply speak your feedback. Watch it convert to text. And with one tap, it's published straight to the very Google business page, linked by your URL. No apps, no typing. Just tap, talk, and post.